Okay, we've got a recording here from my camera through an app on my tablet that will catch everything on my screen, called Screen Recorder. And now I'm adding the soundtrack to it, I hope. And we'll see how this works out. I'm going to stop it now just to test it. And apparently it's working, so we'll go ahead and for the fourth or fifth time we'll try and make a recording. I've had two other programs that I went through this whole rigmarole of recording a soundtrack, and then it didn't work. One of them wanted me to pay, and they can go screw the pooch, because I ain't paying when I already got two other programs that I paid 4 years ago, and I can still use them just fine. So anyway, I'm using a Adobe Premiere Elements 14. It does a fine job, so I'll just keep using it. It's a little bit clunky, but I'll use it. And then we'll just see how it works. So anyway, we're at a minute and a half, and there's I think 7.5 minute video, so I'll probably be doing a lot of dead space here. And you can see the video that you're looking at right now is what I see on my tablet as I'm flying, which I'm flying indoors here in my bedroom. There's no propellers on the quad. I'm just flying it in my head. So this is a test of the applications I'm using. The Screen Recorder is the main app I'm interested in, and it saves the file on my it saves this video file on the tablet, on the card in the tablet, and then I download it off the card, delete it once it's on my computer, and then I open up the file and then go through and edit what I want of it, and then I make a copy of all that, the video and the audio together on the timeline, and then when that's all done, then I'll upload it to YouTube, and then I'll be done. And it takes hours. So that's what it's all about. So you can see there, I'm flying, see? Flying around my bedroom. You can see all the stuff around the side of the screen. The record button there for video, and the feet, and altitude, distance, miles per hour, and the height and all that stuff, and the little corner screen there. Anyway, I'm just getting used to it. This is the test video, and we'll see how this looks on the on YouTube after I upload it. We're at 4.5 minutes now. And I'm going to turn the microphone off and let it run and see if it still runs. Okay, going off. And we're back on. I don't know what happened in between. We're coming up on 6 minutes. And 6.5 minutes. And actually, this is a longer video file than I'm wanting for this movie. So I'm going to stop it when it gets to the end of where I want to keep it, and then I'm going to chop the last bit off. Let's see how that works. Here you can see this battery here is throwing an error, probably from several crashes. It finally did something to the battery. Anyways, it's showing an error, but it says not to use it. However, I've been using it for several flights and it seems to work. I'm just careful about where I fly with it. No over water and no over too far away and too high, in case the one cell does give out. And we're coming up on 8 minutes here. And I've shut the drone off. That's why it went black and white. And pretty soon I'm going to be shutting off the controller and then I'll stop the video.